Hi friends, good evening to all. Welcome to AI with Durga Sir. Just in
5 minutes.
5 minutes. Okay. In the last sessions, we had very clear clarity about skills concept, plugins concept. Anyone implemented that Durga Notebook LM plugin? Anyone tried? You respond. At least one person. Anyone tried?
Yes, sir. I did not use the same one, but I had like created from cloud, similar kind of thing.
From the cloud you did?
Yeah.
Yeah. Good.
Not from the cloud, I mean Codex only.
Okay.
So I using like similar, not exact same prompt, but I generated like use this like MPEG and all those. And then using this one, right? TTS from Gemini.
Okay.
So I'm able to like generate the audio and video. So I created one like a reel, posted on YouTube
Okay.
with
The posted
AWS
on
concept.
YouTube, is it also scheduled, right? Automated?
No, that I need to work on automation for
Okay.
scheduling. But the video generation, till that it is automated.
Yes. Video
Scheduler, I need to do one more thing.
Yes. Next level.
Yeah.
The same
But
thing,
it's
right?
working. Same thing. It will generate based on the topic if I give. If I specify male voice or something, it will generate 2 minutes, something like that. Yesterday my credits over, so I took some added like $10
Yes.
worth of that.
Extra credits.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because it was a free initially.
Yes. So everyone, what about how many
I
people?
posted in this the group chat video agenda.
Okay. Yeah, what about how many people? That's all. Yes, perfect. The same, Naveen, just you use it for technical. The images are generated by ChatGPT itself.
Yeah. Everything
wonderful.
is ChatGPT. Video is audio is this Google.
Okay.
TTS.
Yeah.
And that the plugin is there, right? JMPG.
Yes.
So that is doing that editing and it is generating filing.
Yeah. So Nipjyoti, have you did the same by using the same prompt yesterday?
No, sir. I am something others, sir. Sir, I'll do it by tomorrow.
Just this one is how you created this video?
No, sir, this was earlier method, sir. Using earlier method. Just subject from this and
Yes. Not by using our plugin kind of
concept. Yeah. No, sir. Yeah. Plugin. No, sir.
Yeah. Just a normal by using normal prompts, manual process you did. Yeah. Anyone did? Any other person? Plugin. So what stopping you to do practice? So API key is the problem, credits is the problem, or otherwise not getting clarity is the problem. Yes, friends.
Need subscription.
Need subscription is the problem.
No, sir. The process subscription, sir. Yeah. Actually, that was expired. From tomorrow, sir, I can practice, sir.
Yes. Subscription is the problem.
Yes. Everyone, sir. That's right.
At least some. But at least some subscriptions better to take, man. At least until learning the course.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
I am
only
having
one
cloud
month, right?
subscription. So, once that ends, I will purchase this Codex.
Codex, yes.
Sir, DURGASOFT provide the subscription, no, sir?
DURGASOFT, we will provide subscription. Yeah, we have to talk with the OpenAI people. For our students, can you please provide?
Yes. Then if subscription also, they have to provide, then what will happen? Just imagine.
Yes. Usually for educational organizations, so these people will provide free credits or otherwise some discounts kind of thing. Okay, we record to meet. Yeah. So anyway, just better to practice those, so compulsory. so that you will get complete knowledge. You will get complete
Sir,
picture.
I want to take Kimi K3, Kimi API subscription. Is it
Give me that thing.
worth
I'm
it?
not sure. I'm not sure. Just to check with so any just try once. It's also no problem. It's a more
Okay.
recent, right? More advanced, more
Yeah,
recent.
yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
Try.
More cheaper than the Codex and
Obviously.
Claude.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. So that's all. This is what
Yeah.
you require to compulsory better to practice. Next, in the next session, I will discuss about MCP concept, MCP server, MCP client. So how internal MCP is going to work? What is MCP architecture? Okay, just I will create my own application. I will define APIs by using API endpoints. How we can access? How we can access? Next up, how I can convert these APIs into MCP server, how I can how I can create MCP server. Okay, like all these things I will explain so that MCP area you people are going to get complete picture. Getting the point, right? Yeah. So
Yes, sir.
up to this, what you aware about MCP? Just the normal terminology. MCP means model
Context protocol
context
for
protocol.
Yeah.
tools.
Okay, model context
APIs.
protocol. Okay, from AI model, if AI model want to connect with the third-party apps, tools, databases, files like so. If you want to connect with the outside world, AI model want to connect with the outside world, then this MCP concept is a specially designed concept. Okay, like when this came 2024, right? I told right few days before.
Just
What?
November, right? They're trying
Yes,
to
yes.
2024.
November 25th,
No,
2024.
25th already there. 25th already
No,
there.
no.
Maybe 24.
November 25th was the
November.
date.
Oh,
25th
okay.
was the date.
Yes.
2024. Okay, by Anthropic people introduced this MCP concept. Somewhere I covered, right?
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Yeah. So just only 2 points. It's a model context protocol. From AI models, AI model want to connect with the outside world, either to the apps or to the databases or to the files or some way, third party. If any AI model wants to connect with the third party, a special protocol came into the picture. That special protocol is nothing but what? MCP. Remember that, okay? These are the 2 things, but beautiful concept is there. Next high level concept is there. I will explain this concept in detail, okay, in the next session. So before that, what you can better to practice that plugin concept and the plugin concept and skills concept. Tomorrow I will explain this concept in detail. 1 or 2 sessions minimum we will take on this concept, because so more clarity must be required for me to explain in our style. Next, at the same time, today I was a bit busy with some other important activity, some other activity. Okay, so that I didn't get much time for this session. Okay, better to do tomorrow. I will connect with you people, and tomorrow I will explain this MCP concept. Is it okay, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, friends. Okay, so enjoy for the day. Tomorrow we will meet. 5 minutes got completed.
Yes, sir.
At least 5 minutes got completed.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Sir,
so
Even
are
fine,
we
sir.
covering MCP V2 or we'll cover a new version of MCP?
new version of MCP means
Means today they released a new version V2.
MCP new version today got released, right? What is that? Is there any special name is there for that?
MCP V2 version.
MCP V2 version 2. Okay. Maybe we will check. First, let me cover the version 1, and then the upgrades, whatever there, we may cover in the second.
Yeah, there
Yes.
are too many options are there in the version 2, sir.
Okay.
But where are you referring that? Is it in ChatGPT you are referring version 1, version 2 or?
No, already they announced like MCP V2 from Anthropic. If you search in Anthropic.
Oh, the concepts. Okay.
Okay. So from
Framework itself.
Anthropic, yes.
Okay.
Okay. So tomorrow I will connect with you people, just go through that. Okay, like next the people who are expecting. So how to win and influence people, how to win friends and influence people. How many people are waiting for this series?
Me, sir.
Sir,
Yes, sir. Me too.
I'm also.
Me too, sir.
Okay, so day
Tomorrow
after
will start, right?
day after tomorrow, not tomorrow, day after tomorrow onwards, this cinema is going to be started. Almost around 2 months. Continuous hammering will be there. Continuous hammering will be there. Continuous injection, injecting in every cell of our body is going to be happen. What a beautiful concept. Your way of behaving, way of thinking, way of doing, way of talking, all the things by default are going to be changed. Each and every point is going to be connected with the people. Hey, I did this mistake this many times. I don't know about this a silly small point. Like every time you are going to get that question mark symbol for the people.
Sir,
Okay, believe
how
me.
much are they charging, sir, for that?
For that, mostly tomorrow our people are going to update very less amount. We are not required to worry. Okay, very small amount. It's a considerable,
What time
bearable
the
amount.
sessions will be there, sir?
Yes, friend.
At what time the sessions will be there?
Morning 7, morning 7, morning 7, 9. 7 to 9, like whatever the time possible permit for you, you can attend. Rest of the time, whenever there is a time, better to refer the video. Most of the people are doing the same.
It's not a yearly package. Yearly package is only for videos, right? So this is like an individual, right?
Yes.
Individual talk.
Yes.
Book wise, we need to attend sessions.
Yes.
Okay. No problem.
We are planning to have that thing also. We will sort out very soon.
Yearly subscription.
Yes. For regular students also, because
It
for
should be a lifetime subscription, sir.
Yes,
For
yes, that's
lifetime subscription should be there.
yeah. How many people planning to
Netflix,
attend lifetime?
like Netflix, Amazon.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
No
We
How many
get
people
concerns.
want
insurance
to attend?
lifetime, sir. So
Yes,
life
yes.
skills should be also lifetime should be there.
Lifetime. Yeah. My
Correct,
son,
sir.
definitely we will do that.
It's like our insurance to our term
Future.
insurance is for health, and this is life skills is for insurance to our entire life.
Life.
Yes. So that's the
Wonderful.
concept.
Correct. Really that much helpful concept. Believe me. So the people who are attending, have you observed the transformations? Yes, Mahesh.
Of course, sir. Yes. Now
Multiple transformations.
consistency. I think more than my blood. What do you call hemoglobin? I have more consistency in my blood, I would say.
Yeah. More than hemoglobin in your blood, more consistency is there. What a wonderful dialogue, man.
Just an analogy, I'm saying.
Yes.
Don't go by literal.
Yeah. Really, that word makes us. So if you consider any successful person in the world, is always going to use one word: consistency. Believe me.
Yes.
Any successful person.
So
That
now we can see the transformation. As you can see, if I can consider myself earlier, what happened? Like, in my team, there are lot intern has joined. Okay. And they don't know anything and they pretended like I know everything. Sometimes they make me irritated. They make me like, the angry. So why you people are doing this and why you are like, talking like shit always in a big meetings and in a top management meeting. So I get frustrated and sometimes I shout on them. But now when I started listening your videos, so I slowly trying to reduce my anger and to be calm and slowly we make them like understand. So it's too difficult to like manage intern nowadays. They all are Gen Z's people, right?
Gen Z means the people are getting shivering, man.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So now slowly we can see the change.
Yes. But this series is completely different. This series is we can understand them. Okay. For everything we can understand them. The things are always going to see from opposite person's perspective. Wow, what a beautiful. If you are going to transform the BP, sugar, these kind of things completely, even Ramana would Rao, even you want, can you please come also? They won't come for you. Okay, that much beautiful things in your human relations, especially. communicating with your life partner, communicating with your kids, communicating with your colleagues, communicating with your managers. Okay, everywhere it's going to be helpful like anything. Okay, just actually to prepare this script only today, almost my total time got completed. Okay, yeah, anyway, don't worry. So tomorrow I will spend some time, don't mind. Okay, we will talk about MCP architecture. So it's not like a skills concept, it's not like plugin concept, not that much easy. Okay, just slowly, step by step, I will try to inject in your mind so that you will have complete picture for you.
Sir, I
Getting
send
it?
you one link to you, sir.
Which one?
I send you a link to you, sir. So just when you have time, you check it, sir.
1 minute. Where? In the chat window?
Yeah, yes, sir.
Hardik is there. Jyoth, Naveen. Okay. Yeah. Yes. Oh. Yes. Definitely. I will refer that. Okay. Right, sir. So tomorrow we will continue for the remaining part. Don't worry, I didn't cover anything. Just better to practice. So just consider as so it is the session demanded for practice session for plugin. Better to do that plugin video creator plugin, and tomorrow just let me know. How many people want to do that?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
I will.
Yes, friends. Just take one month subscription for the Codex, man. Only 1 month. Better to take. Don't think about much money. We should use money as a tool for our growth. The best investment in the world is always
Always
Yourself.
ourselves.
the best investment in the world is always invest in yourself.
Yes.
Okay, recommended. So, we are eating biryani, all these things, but taking subscription. Why you people are thinking? Okay, so better to take and better to practice. Okay, that's answer. So tomorrow I will continue with that MCP concept. Yeah, someone is asking.
Sir, whatever we are recording here, as we are uploading in the YouTube, or you
Yes,
are
exactly. No filtration kind of thing. Complete thing.
fine, sir. Thank you.
Yes. Okay. Right, sir. Thank you. Tomorrow we'll meet for the continuation. Happily sleep a bit early.
Thank you,
Okay.
sir.
Slowly I will move the session instead of 10, 9, 8, 7, something like I'm planning to have that. Okay. So at least 9. Yeah.
Fine, sir.
Yeah. Right, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Bye.